So everybody who's in the fitness niche knows who the fuck this was. You know, the guy with this sign that, hey, you're mirroring, bro, you know, let's get it, let's get the muscles. And the shredded guy always on the parties with the girls, you know, hugging it, yeah, yeah, bro. And like, life is good, life is happy, and all and fun until he died at sauna. You've maybe seen the rise of this fitness niche, that more and more teenage boys are going to the gym, you know, maybe because of the heartbreaks or because of Tate, you know, is saying, yeah, get yourself to the gym, you know, do 20 push-ups every single day, blah, blah, get a six-pack and your life will be better. Or more and more people are just going to the gym, you know, lifting heavy weights, listening to sad songs and getting over their breakup. But with this rising trend of this fitness niche, there's also a rise of usage PEDs, performing enhancing drugs or steroids. And so now you can see more and more often in those young guys steroids and trend. They're literally destroying their health at their 20s just to get more fucking muscles. Like, bro, you have one life. You have fucking one life. And you don't want to destroy your health just to get more muscles and become bigger. Like, most of the girls don't even like those big guys. And so if you're a normal dude and you're going to the gym for 2 years and you're looking lean, not fucking shredded but lean, you will attract girls. And most people do this gym thing because of looking good and attracting, getting attention from other people. And so they just go on a trend and they want to stand out, but they are literally destroying their health. And I did a video about this literally a week ago, that destroying your health whilst building muscles is so fucking cringe, and everybody does that. You know, everybody eats the protein bars, the protein powders, you know, if it fits my macros, it's fine. So everybody eats junk food, you know, because it fits your macros and you're on the bulk. So you're eating processed food and processed shits just to bulk, just to get more muscles. So, like, what the fuck? What's the point? You know? So you're destroying your health for bigger biceps. And so now, a week later, some bodybuilder just died. 30 years of fucking age, and he died of some aneurysm because he was using PEDs, because he was fucking, I don't know, he had another disease, you know, with this like alien fucking muscles on the chest. He was doing really, really weird things. It was sexy, but at what cost? Maybe you want to try those steroids, maybe you want to try some trend. Why would you ever do that? Why would you ever destroy your health just to get a bigger bicep? So fucking just eat clean, bro. Train hard like you are training right now. And just stay fucking natural. You will get the attention you wanted just from a natural physique. I guarantee you, bro. And there's no need for you to destroy your health just for you to looking bigger. If you have a purpose, a really purpose that you want to be a bodybuilder, and that you are affirming that, okay, it's fine for me to destroy my health to win this bodybuilding competition, it's okay. But I don't want that. And many people don't want it too. Many people don't want to end up like Ronnie fucking on a wheelchair at the age of 50. Just because, yeah, he's legend. I respect him, okay? But not many people want this. Not many people don't have the discipline to become this bodybuilder and fucking sacrifice all things in the life just to become bigger and win those bodybuilding competitions. Like I said, this video is just to inform you that you should put your health first, and don't think that if you're shredded, if you're looking good and you have muscles, you are healthy. You're probably not. And you're probably not even eating healthy. You're just eating because it has calories, you know, doing the Oreo shake with olive oil because it has fucking 1,000 calories and some protein. Okay? Just look at the ingredients of the protein powders and the protein bars and think of that, what you're actually eating. You have one health, okay? You have one life. And so treat your health like you're treating your muscles. Just change that, okay? Have more focus on your health and not on your bigger bicep. Health is more important, and you don't want to end up like Joe. You don't want to end up like Zyzz. You don't want to end up like Ronnie and many bodybuilders too. I love gym, but I don't like fitness influencers. I don't like these fake protein supplements. You are eating poison just because it has a headline protein. You're using trend just to get more attention, where Other people just say, oh, he's on steroids, he's a loser, he's destroying his health, he has small PP, he's short. PEDs don't have any benefits. Just stay natural and you'll be fine, bro. Don't be a zebra, become a lion. And a lion is eating healthy, training hard, and not destroying your health whilst building muscle, because he knows it is idiotic. Go down and subscribe to my channel. You will learn more about this protein things, about this fitness niche, how it is scam, about sugar. Those videos are upcoming, so be aware, click on the bell, and wait for those fucking videos, because it will fucking surprise you what you are actually eating and thinking it's healthy, but it's not. And if you just want to just like transfer your life to better, then this video is for you. My whole channel is for you. And so subscribe, scroll down. There's guides on porn, on social media, on confidence or girls. There's anything, bro. Share this to your gym rat friend and just think about your health more. Bye, G. Mirren, bro.